guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, today we're about to play Minecraft. Yeah, okay, let's play Minecraft. I also have some other fun games that I'm gonna make them. And if you want me to play those games, then subscribe and leave a like and then hit that notification bell to make more videos, and I'll play those games and also make a video out of those. I'm so dumb. And if you want to see me make a video of those games, then it's gonna be a good game. Honestly, because there's a lot of games that are very cool in Play Store, but there's also some games that are not the best. Okay, so let's start. Alright, let's play my own brand new map. And it is called nothing. Just kidding. This. Okay? Okay, so I should probably go in survival mode for this, because in this video, we're gonna try to beat Minecraft in survival mode. And I actually got some very cool stuff, and actually a cool house. That house is kind of cool though. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, so, and if you okay, I'm the dumbest guy in the entire world. Just jumping over. If you want me to make another Minecraft video, then just subscribe and leave a like to my YouTube channel, and then I'll make another subscribing channel. Maybe I'll make a Minecraft video only if you subscribe. Okay. So, if you subscribe, then I will make another video of Minecraft. Okay. Okay, now I'm ready to enter the game. Okay? This is about to be lit. Okay. Alright, this is gonna be cool. And this is about to be the coolest video ever. But I haven't been a YouTuber in a very long time. And this is the first time I'm being a YouTuber. So, this is gonna be nuts. And I don't know how to be a YouTuber. Because being a YouTuber is very hard. That's why I'm not showing you my camera, because it's very hard. So I'm not showing you my camera. You can only see me playing this video. So, and if you want to see me, and if you want to see me show my camera, then please give notification. Then please go in the comments, and then if somebody send a present to me, that would be nice. And if everyone subscribes, I said it a million times, I know, but if they subscribe, I will give them a brand new Hot Wheel Lamborghini toy. A Lamborghini Hot Wheel. I will send it to him. Only if you subscribe, leave a like, and hit that notification bell. And then I will give you it. Alright, that's pretty been very long now. And I already think that I just did it it's already been 5 minutes. And this is bad. Yep, this is bad. Okay. Alright, this is the inside of my house. Let me show you the outside of my house. See, it's not that bad. That's a cool house. And I'm kind of a pro, because I have a diamond axe, diamond sword, and I have a diamond pickaxe. So I'm kind of a pro. To be honest, I'm kind of a pro. And I have iron. And I have stone shovel, and stone shovels are not good. So, okay, so, oh no, I don't have any. Let's just leave the back rule. This is kind of confusing. Okay, you did not see anything, okay? You did not see anything, okay? We're just gonna pretend that was nothing, okay? That was nothing, okay? We're not gonna pretend. Okay, just pretend that was just a silly goof. Okay, that was just nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna pretend that it's a goof. That's it. Okay. I'm not stressed. It's okay. Okay? Don't even think about that. What did I just say? I don't know. I don't know what did I just say to you guys, but I'm sorry. I'm legitimately so sorry. Throw it away. I want to get coal. Okay, and I even make like a second floor with a crafting table, and I have to get a furnace. So I have to craft a furnace. I love Minecraft. Nothing actually. Oh my god. What's the furnace now? It's cobblestone. There's. And I have 4 more diamonds. I don't know what to use these. I don't actually know what to use these 4 diamonds. Okay. I'll find out later. Okay? 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 Oh my god, this guy. I'm making a video.
Where is it, Ehsan?
Come on! Okay, never mind, guys. Okay, that was just my mom. Ooh, fuck. Ooh, fuck. Now what is the sound? I don't know. Oh. I don't know. What did I just say? Stop it! Stop it, you little goof. Get out of here. Okay, I don't know what that ridiculous sound is. That's just from Minecraft. Actually, I don't know what is that sound. What is that sound? Is it outside? What is it? Is it outside? Oh. Wait, what is it? Okay. It's nothing. Okay. Dude, this is so... I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm just gonna snack. I just got a snack. Okay. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna literally do something. That is unexpected. Get this bed. Oh no. I know what the bed. I'm gonna actually put the bed right here. Yeah, now it's about to be good. Ah, I hate black wool. I'll just put it there. Alright, this is good so far. What is... This is weird. Right, this is weird. This is legitimately weird. What is this? Why is there diamonds under my house? Guys, I never get diamonds in my life. I just get like 6 diamonds. That's it. I just mine like 1 diamond every single time. I love my snack. But what is this? This is ridiculous. I don't know what is that sound. These sounds are weird. I always, every single time I hear this song, I hear like these sounds. And it's really weird, but hey, we got diamonds. Cool. Whoa, there's a lot more diamonds here. That's convenient. Alright, that's actually a lot more diamonds than I expected. Cool. I'm about to make armor. Yes. And and you know what? I'm actually I'm actually build I'm actually build like a shovel too because I really do need a shovel. Put the cup inside. I'll put it in the box. Alright. Oh my god. Nice. Okay. No one did not say that. Okay, just pretend that we done nothing. We just mine diamonds from home.